Went to the store, picked up a bunch of 2-inch stuff with a 1.5 adapter for hub. Turns out it's already 1.5 both up here and here. I had to go back and get 1.5. Also want to kind of get a clean out on this pipe here since I'm right on the edge. The bottle brush will never be used again. Oh God, if it can come out. Alright, I'm gonna fuck myself real hard here. Oh, mamma mia. Ah! Ah! It's not the song! You saw that when it went in, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. That destroyed my faith in a lot of things. The power of love and friendship, for one. Almost makes you stop believing in a fair and just God. Okay, oh God! Oh, it splashed! It splashed everywhere. Oh, gross. Okay, so here's where the whole DIY black box. Another instance where the DIY black box is fitting, because I run this because I want to use one of these guys to clean out the drain. So you stuff this thing in the thing with the hose. Hose connected to the faucet. You turn on the hose, fills up this bladder here, and then it goes. Okay, so we are got one end of the hose hooked up, and the little thingy here, right in there. And of course, that's where half of our problem comes from, is it doesn't quite go all the way in. All right, moment of truth. Apparently, my faucet is not as secure as I thought. Okay, here we go. I'll be honest. I don't know how you know if it's working or not. Oh. Okay.
What am I doing?
So you got this bit. I want to hold this up to the bottom of the tub there. You're going to take this.
And put it in? And then screw it in?
That's screwed in.
Okay.
Never screwed in all the way, but tell you to take this and stick it in like that.
Okay.
From the bathtub side of it.
You're going to fill my butt.
Maybe. Hello?
Hello.
I'm doing the drain now. Yep.
Is this doing anything?
Yep.
There's some stuff in it, though.
What do you mean?
Well, now there's stuff in it.
Oh, like stuff fell in it?
Yeah, like from the tub.
Okay. Oh, come on. Hey.
What?
Nothing.
Oh.
Well,
Sorry, I'm trying to get the thingy on top.
what?
The blue thingy.
Well, don't do the blue thingy yet.
But it's pretty. Fine.
I know you're getting ahead of things, and the blue part is just a cover. That's coming off. It's like a silver brass.
Okay, fine. I'll take it off. No, it's you're turning it.
Huh?
You're turning it.
Okay, don't. Did you push one in yet?
No.
Okay, don't. Could you unscrew the drain plug?
I'm trying.
Trying to unscrew it?
Yeah. Well, because I put the blue thingy on top.
Oh, you're trying to take the blue thingy screw out?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a look. Hey, bud. Okay, can you unscrew? Alrighty. Alright, I will be right back.
Okay.
Okay, you still up there?
I'm here.
Alright. Okay.
So down here?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, that's pretty good. Okay. Now we try this thing again.
Hold it there.
Yeah, just a sec. Okay.
Come on.
You're not pushing?
Well, there's a little notch on it.
Yeah, that's to keep it from coming back out. Good.
Yay.
Yay.
Ow. Oh, I'm so old.
Alright, that is the tub drain. Alright, so we're going to assemble a bit of this tub bit before we do the other bit. All of this, because I'm going to have to take the drain, at least get the drain part in first. Little pin went through. Once this guy's installed, this will come in from the tub side. Shrunk. This ends up, because it plops that guy right into bloop to block. Just twist this thing in, and it goes up higher. Should be tight enough. Drop this whole assembly in. Woo! That's about perfect. Alright, I just now you're just stuck on something. And there's the black box. I need to check the tape for that one. I wanted to tighten it up, and I was going the wrong direction. Hi, kitty. You watching me work? Silly kitty. Alright, time to put a bucket down there and see what happens.
Alright, what do you need me to do?
Just look at that pipe and let me know if water's coming out. Yeah, the white pipe coming down.
Yeah, water's coming out.
A lot or a little?
A little. A lot.
Okay, but nothing's coming out of the tub. It's the little seal by the tub.
It's dripping a little bit. Well, there's some coming out of the pipe, but there's also some coming out of that joint.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, the joint.
Yeah.
Right up against the tub?
Well, the one that goes, so where it's sealed between the tub and the other one.
Okay. Is the bucket catching any of it?
Yes.
Does the water coming out of the tube go into the bucket?
Yes.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. So a little was draining from here.
But nothing from right there at the tub?
Nothing from right there, just a little bit right here.
Okay. The joint past the drain into the T needed tightening, so we did that. Now, the trap, the stopper didn't go down quite far enough, so we're gonna fix that. God! Well, I tightened up that nut as hard as I could without breaking the thing, and it's still dripping a little. And I let the little trap stopper loose as much as I could without it kicking itself back up, and it's still barely holding all the stuff. So good job, everybody. Dang it. Everything's been installed, and now I'm just putting the drain cover on it. I call that good for now for the drain half. Now for baths, we're probably pretty good. So I've got this guy, to that guy, this guy. Vent on, I guess, look at that. This bit off for a second. Alright, so then let me shove this in here. Oh, God dang it. You know what I am going to do? I don't want to use steel tape. Well, guess what, dumbass? Oh, okay. So we need to make sure we know where this height is going to be before we finish off that guy. I'm going to cut some more PVC and get this all assembled. Okay, so we're going to cement this bit to this bit. We'd already cemented this bit all together, so some off of that deviation, but okay. Come on. Not too late. Can't be too late. It can though, but let's pretend like it can't, okay? Let's pretend like it's okay. Let's just come on. Okay. Okay. This can be fixed. This can be fixed. It probably can't be fixed, but and here we are, the nightmare over. Done a few tests, doesn't seem to be dripping. Time will tell for sure. Hooray! Now my kids can take baths.